Welcome back to the channel. This video contains front camera sample footage from the brand new VUEROiD S1-QHD Infinite dash camera. It's a quad high definition front camera using the Sony Starvis 2 IMX 675 image sensor. I have two cameras in this vehicle, so the three different video enhancing modes will be shown in various combinations. In this video I include daytime examples, nighttime examples, and plate captures along the way. I do not include video footage from the interior or rear camera since it's the same 2K rear camera and 1080p interior camera as the S1-4K Infinite dash camera that I have in other videos on my channel. In this segment I have daytime footage as I drive through a parking structure. The normal and infinite plate capture footage on the top and bottom are from the same driving session. That's why they're slightly out of sync with the HDR footage in the middle. And you can see the infinite plate capture footage is a bit dark as I enter into the parking structure, but it does adjust. So see what you think of these three different video enhancing modes going through the parking structure. In this segment, I have daytime footage with video enhancing mode normal on the top and infinite plate capture on the bottom. Both have a CPL filter. Daytime footage tends to be better using the video enhancing mode of normal. It can capture text and plates a little bit better than infinite plate capture during the day. At night, infinite plate capture tends to be a better choice, and you can use the infinite plate capture timer to enable it for nighttime hour operations. As I merge onto the freeway, I'll have vehicles passing me on the number 1 lane to my left, and you can judge how well the various video enhancing modes used here handle the plate captures with about a 15 mile/hour speed difference between my vehicle and theirs. This sample segment, I've exited the freeway, making a right onto a short road here. We're making another right onto a rural road. I have some additional plate captures showing you how well those work here with normal and infinite plate capture video enhancing modes. This is a normal versus IPC plate capture attempt on a dark rural road. This is a normal versus IPC plate capture attempt of the vehicle on the right as I go under the overpass, and then I make the typical left turn onto the freeway on-ramp that I show in most of my example videos here. And you can check out the illuminated signs on the right-hand side of the road as I go up the on-ramp to the freeway. In this comparison, the upper footage is HDR for video enhancing mode versus the normal one I had from the previous example. And I'll get a plate capture attempt of the vehicle in front of mine. And then I'll turn my vehicle left onto the freeway on-ramp. Check out the illuminated signs on the right. I'm going to capture the plate on that same vehicle at a further distance with the headlights shining directly on the plate. stopped in a parking lot to switch the video enhancing mode from normal to HDR, and that's the 2 video samples on the top. And the bottom one is the infinite play capture. Since there was no CPL filter present on any of these cameras, there's a lot of reflection from the windshield. This is driving into my local town from the southern end, so you can see all the business lights and illuminated signs. Normal video enhancing mode on top, HDR in the middle, and infinite play capture on the bottom. Thanks for watching the entire video. I truly appreciate it. If you found this video to be informational, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this. Make sure to check out my additional videos for the VUEROiD dash cameras and all dash cameras on my channel. Again, thanks for watching.